Well, what's up, guys? It's Good Luck Brian, and we're back. I'm back with Deanna, and we're back for another adventure. Today, it's more of a spontaneous adventure, just hanging out on a Saturday. And we decided that it'd be fun to go hiking. And I remember that the Tyler Arboretum is here, known for its various trees that are scattered across this campus. One of the largest arboretums in Pennsylvania. Truly renowned. I was here a couple times as a student back in middle school. And just the barns and the architecture here, very beautiful. And I have to be honest, I don't really know much about trees. In freshman year of high school, in Gary Deanna's Malvern Prep's biology class, we had to collect leaf samples and identify them. That was years ago. I'm really just going to kind of casually walk you guys through the campus here. Really don't have much to point out, but I think the scenes in 4K are pretty enough. And Deanna being from Ukraine, maybe we come across a couple Ukrainian, Russian, Eastern European trees or flowers. Well guys, it's May in Pennsylvania. I just came back from Miami, so if you haven't watched that video, it's going to be a completely different style video to this. But here's a lilac collection, 84 plants representing 63 varieties of lilac in pinks, blues, purples, whites. Line this wall to examine the beautiful color range of this plant. The original collection was planted by John C. Wister in the early 50s. What does it smell like? Yeah, what does it smell like?
I don't know what it smells.
It
smells like spring.
It does. It smells sweet, almost like a hand lotion. And I don't know what it is, but they have these really cool huts all around here. I don't know if a convention came through at some point in time. Here's a sweet birch tree right here. And the sun just kind of poking through here. It's like 2 p.m. Sun sets in Pennsylvania, Eastern PA right now. What time's sunset these days?
Actually, I know the exact time. 8:09.
8:09. Yesterday? Okay. 8:09 sunset yesterday. So you have, another 6 hours or so of sunlight. And the sun's pretty much at its highest point. So you're really capturing the beautiful colors of the different trees and flowers here.
Have your parents ever been here?
They live right down the road. And that's another thing, guys, is sometimes you don't have to go to Miami, Florida. You don't have to go to the Berkshires, Burlington, Vermont, West Virginia. I'm naming all these random places. That's where I've gone in this channel. You can just stay at your hometown. This is right outside or right in Ridley Creek State Park here in Ridley, Pennsylvania, in Delaware County, PA. And Deanna made a good point. You don't have to really travel that far to see the beauty that is here.
Baby birds.
The baby birds are here. See if we can find any baby birds. They're so pretty. The Mizuna? Oh, is it Mitsuba? That's the parsley. Leaves, stems. So this whole place right here is actually a garden, and they plant everything organically and donate it to the Media Food Bank. Media, Pennsylvania is just down the street, really. And we just talked to the lady over there, and she said that we could actually taste test some of the. Here's the mustard, ginger, Japanese. Here's the Mitsuba. Let's try the dark purple Mizuna. Tastes leafy. It's pretty good. Try some.
Is it bitter?
No. It's good. And that was a really cool experience. Getting to eat the Mizuna. I spoke too soon. It actually kind of had this bitter taste at the end. But I would put it in my salad. Deanna asked me that question. I would. It was very, very tasty. So once again, that was a sustainable garden that is donated to the Media Food Bank here at the Tyler Arboretum. And I gotta be honest, this place is like 5 miles from my house, and we always talk about Longwood Gardens being close by. That's also very famous nationwide, internationally, for its gardens, and that's the DuPont family. But John Tyler Arboretum is pretty impressive in its own right.
She said, what did she say?
Like squash.
Squash, yeah, like for fall.
I'm the king of the John Tyler Arboretum. Want to be my queen? Sit down. There's the queen.
Little princess.
The princess? The prince? The canopy of trees around here is so thick that, look at this color. Look at that green. My subscriber base is mainly 46 to 65-year-old men and women, so I'd imagine that they'd be interested in this. It appeals to you guys. If I'm wrong, if you want to see me go somewhere different, those who are not interested in the crazy Miami video might like this.
I want perfume to smell like this.
No, it smells like something. I can recognize it. Oh, no, it's killing me. It's some smell from my childhood.
It smells so good.
It's bubblegum. It smells like bubblegum.
Yes.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
It's not okay. I just haven't had like old-fashioned bubblegum recently.
Yes. I just want to say.
You want to sit here and smell it? She's making out with the tree. She's kissing it. Wow, just look at this color coming through. All right, right, or left. Look at this. Gerard's Rose. I think we should walk through here. Do you want to walk through here? Yeah. This is actually just amazing. Guys, if you live in the area or if you want to travel to Pennsylvania, which I really recommend because Philadelphia area, Delaware Valley has so many places to see, things to do. Take a trip to John Tyler Arboretum in Ridley, Pennsylvania. Bring your girlfriend, bring your wife, your fiance, your kids. It was just Mother's Day. This would have been a perfect gift for my mom. Shout out to Deanna's mom in Ukraine. He'll be watching this video. Kind of like fail to recognize how pretty the trees are too. You're looking at the azaleas, but look at the trees. Guys, it smells amazing. Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It smells like bubblegum everywhere. Spring. What do you think it smells like?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. That's good. That's the way to describe it. Unbelievable. Look at this. Every turn, every corner. Look at this. How beautiful this is. Look out of this world.
Every shade of purple.
Every shade of purple, pink.
Yeah.
It really is. Only nature can provide this color boom. You know, even Apple just came out with a new purple iPhone, and I think the purple in these flowers is way better than that. Very specific example.
Very random.
Very random, but nature never fails to outperform anything man makes or creates. Mother Nature will always claim its land. It's the environment. And when we work with the environment sustainably, organically, and we take our time and nurture land, this is what you get. This is the fruits of man's labor. Instead of creating these ridiculous cities and developments, strip malls, which I understand there's a need for. True beauty comes in nature. It's butterfly. Getting a little emotional. I'm not actually.
Dramatic.
It just could be it could be me recovering from my hangover from Miami. Guys,
It's a perfect trip. But it's perfect post-Miami trip.
This is the perfect post-Miami trip to recover. She's exactly right. Look at these trees too.
Everything.
What are they? Japanese cedar trees. I was gonna say they look like Norwegian spruces. My dad just planted a couple in the backyard. But these are Japanese cedars. Do they smell like anything?
They don't smell.
So the Painter's Plant Collection, straight ahead, you have the Oriental spruce right here, native to Asia, planted in 1860. Pennsylvania state champion. You have the leatherleaf Mahonia, probably botching that, native to China, planted in 1860. And the Corskin pine in the background that unfortunately looks like it's either dead or just hasn't fully bloomed yet. But that was planted in 1858. The sweet gum, it looks like it's right here. And this one was planted in 1860. So I'll take you guys up here. And like I said, it's like colonial architecture, barn houses, farms, very much. Some are still active. They're still here. Yep, this is the American sweet gum tree. One of the original trees planted by Jacob and Minshaw between 1830 and 1873. So as we wind our way out of the beautiful John Tyler Arboretum, I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank every one of you, my subscribers, those who might just be tuning in for the first time. Please subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I'll continue to bring you tons of content from around the country, around the globe, really anywhere I go. So until next time, from Deanna and I, safe travels, keep exploring, and I'll see you out on the road.